Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Beginning with our first DIY, I'm going to be making a garland. I'm going to take one of these snowmen along with these wooden beads. I'm going to use 4 of them and I'll be giving it one coat with white chalk paint. I'll be doing the same thing to the snowman and I'll be using the color plaid for the snowman hat. I'll be using these 2 colors throughout the entire video. Let's go ahead and put this garland together. I'm putting 4 of the smaller beads in the color plaid and 1 white. And I'll be doing 3 sections the same way. These 2 colors are beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my chew twine and make a tassel. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a haircut. And then on the other corner, I'm gonna go ahead and tie the snowman. And I will also be combing the tassel. And this is the way it looks. Look how beautiful this turned out. But now I want to go ahead and talk to you about this open collaboration, 5 under 5. We have to do 5 DIYs under $5 to decorate a tier tray. And the hosts are Missy from Crafty Cove DIY, and she loves farmhouse DIYs on a budget. And we also have Emily from Farm Charm Chics, and she loves high-end DIYs on a budget, also rustic and farmhouse DIYs. And the guest host is Sharon from Grace's Neighbors Sharon. She loves rustic boho farmhouse DIYs. I will leave all these channels along with the playlist in my description box. Do not forget to visit them and give them a lots of love. Now I had this little snowman in my stash since last year. I paid $1 before the prices went up. I'm gonna go ahead and paint the entire piece with white chalk paint. I made this little bowl off camera and I'm gonna go ahead with a little bit of hot glue. I'm gonna put it right here where the scarf goes at. And then with the same plaid color, I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna start drawing his nose. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the scarf and the hat. These are so unchanging. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. My leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also winter's. I also purchased a set of wooden spoons over the summer that I never got to use, and this is what I'm going to put inside the snowman. And the total cost for this was a little over $2. And look at how beautiful this turned out. I am really liking this snowman. Much pleasure thou canst give me. How often has I purchased all 4 of these cutting boards at Aldi's. I paid half price, which was a little over $2.50. And this little tree from Dollar Tree, of course. I'm giving it 1 coat of this white chalk paint, and this little tree, I'm giving it 1 coat with the color plaid. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, thy candle shines so brightly from base to summit, gay and bright. So let's go ahead and decorate this beautiful cutting board. I'm gonna go ahead and put the Christmas tree right here with some hot glue, and I'm gonna do the same thing to the little tree with a little bit of hot glue right on top. And then I have this beautiful ribbon. I bought it at Dollar Tree this year. I'm gonna cut a little piece of it and I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it right on the cutting board. This is so gorgeous. I love this little DIY, and I didn't even have to do nothing to the cutting board because it just came with those beautiful colors. And of course, I bought me 2 sets of the cutting board. Don't tell nobody because they might think I'm a hoarder. But no, I'm just a creator. I hope you like this DIY. So I bought this little frame at Dollar Tree. I thought that this was glass, but it is plastic. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and take that same plaid color and give it 2 coats to the entire frame.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.
So now that it is completely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put this plastic back inside. And I have this beautiful ornament from Dollar Tree. They come 6 in a package, and I bought them last year. I found them at the bottom of my stash. Look at how beautiful this stocking is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this little string out of here, and with a little bit of hot glue, I'm just gonna glue it right on top of this little plastic. I was hoping that it would not melt, but yeah, it was okay. Nothing happened to it. Look at how gorgeous. I am in love with this. This is so simple yet so beautiful. And I also made a bowl off camera, and I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it right in the corner. And the total cost to make this beautiful DIY, less than $2, because I had most of the stuff, and the frame only cost me $1.25. And again, I'm gonna be gluing this beautiful bowl right here in the corner. And I also have these little bells that I also had from last year, and I am gonna be putting it right on top, and some leftover greenery. And now you're gonna have to let me know what you think about this DIY. Don't forget, if you like it, give me that big thumbs up. It does help my channel.
Shine so brightly, oh Christmas tree, oh.
And I have another shadow box that I bought at Dollar General. It was 75% off, and I paid 25 cents. And I also bought about 6 of them. Again, don't tell nobody because they might think that I'm a hoarder. But no, I'm just a creator. I thought that I was gonna make this one DIY with it. I put it away like most of us do, and a year later, here I am putting it to use. I'm gonna give it 1 coat to the entire inside of the shadow box with the same plaid color. And the outside, I'm gonna be using some white chalk paint. And you remember that I told you that I paid 25 cents? They go by colors. So this one had the green dot, and that was 75% off. So I was really lucky to get it for 25. Now I also bought these little houses. They are mirror stickers, and they have this plastic protection, which I'm going to be removing. Taking this white chalk paint, I'm gonna give it 2 coats to 2 of the houses. Now it's time to assemble it. Now that they are dry, I'm going to take some hot glue and put both of them side to side in the bottom of this shadow box. And this jute twine with a little hot glue, I'm going to put it right here in this corner. I also have some bells that I had from last year. I will be putting 2 of these bells on top of the bowl. I also want to thank all of you for staying until the end of this video. Don't forget to go visit that playlist. Remember, when you go and visit these beautiful, talented ladies, don't forget to give them a lot of love. And again, thank you for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video.